It's recording. Yeah, it's recording.
Where is it pointed?
It's 360, so it doesn't matter. You can even like leave it like against your shoulder. Even against your shoulder, it's fine. Like if you leave it leaning back.
The sun is going up. It's gonna get hotter.
Don't worry about my eyes.
You don't have to if you don't want to, huh? Really, come slowly.
No, it's gotta be.
IV! IV! I see you again. You're still talking. Let's go.
Wow. Be careful, they go down there. Slowly now, be careful. Don't be too fast, we keep our legs apart and keep it staying.
Legs apart?
Yeah. Yeah, waterfall. Hard, okay. You go further up more. This is for now for your. It's more than that. Too dangerous for your. Yeah. Through the water, you understand? Like, it's a curtain. And there it is. It look like a yeah, it's like a curtain. Yeah? Come all the way here to take a picture. Come. That's one of the highlights. Take a picture. Yeah, in the video. Water is not bad, but I wouldn't drink it. I just wash my hands if I want, but I wouldn't drink it. You can, but I don't know really what came along the way. We found it went through. Nothing more than okay. Okay.
Oh. You're gonna drink that?
Yeah.
No.
It's clearer than the water you find.
You can see it clear, but it should be dirty.
Should be ready?
No, I mean, you should not drink.
Huh? Wallah?
Yeah. It came from. It comes from the. It might have some residue sand, but it doesn't have. It's fine, but flowing water. There should be something there. Look at the water down. The color of when it's altered.
That's different water.
Okay.
Thank you.
Shall we go inside? Shall we go